The grand challenges of engineering are about solving the world's greatest problems. And that's what any engineer should be really excited about. Not about tinkering around the edges, but really fundamentally changing what the future will look like. Bucknell is a great place to get the grounding to be able to start on that journey.
This is where my love for engineering began. There's so much to say about the classes I went to and the people I met. This is where friendships that I still cultivate now, were started.
You know, Bucknell was the foundation. It's really where I grew up. It's where I learned the basics of engineering and problem solving. It's also where I met lifelong friends.
Bucknell just brings back every memory when I'm down there, and the new campus they are building is just beautiful. So even that attracts me to want to be back at Bucknell.
I think back with the very first day that I drove up to campus, and within 30 seconds I had decided I was going to go to Bucknell because I felt at home. And every time I go back now, I get that same feeling, that I feel like I'm coming home.
The Bucknell Engineering alumni meetings that I sat in and the different things they're doing with the students really, really interests me and really, really excites me. They're really preparing their students for the workforce.
Bucknell interested me a lot because it had a combination of engineering and artistic opportunities. And what was unique about Bucknell is that you could float between the two.
You know, the unique thing about the Bucknell students is they've really benefited from working cross-functionally and in teams for their whole education. They're much better at multidiscipline kind of activity, which is real world.
Problems really aren't major specific. So you might have a problem that needs an electrical engineer, but it also needs a mechanical engineer. It might need a writer, it might need a business major.
I think one of the greatest things about Bucknell is the interdisciplinary training that one gets. It's not just about formulas in engineering, it's about how to use that knowledge to help further society and help further your own career.
In Bucknell's future, I'm excited about their concentration on global learning, first of all, and sustainability, as well as the entrepreneurship and innovation. Being out into the real world, I think those are key things that students need to be aware of.
You know, the campaign initiatives, they really resonate with me because energy sustainability, human health, globalization, these are all initiatives that I've been working on within my company for the past 25 years. So I think they're right on the mark.
The initiative itself brings an opportunity that students won't get outside of Bucknell. It's that close faculty-student interaction and also close clinical professional student interaction, things that PhD students may not even get to experience.
To me, it's a worthwhile endeavor to send your thanks. And certainly if you have the ability to do it financially, there are students that are in your shoes starting there that could really benefit from that aid.
Bucknell is amazing. I mean, the professors that they have, the experiences that we have there as students, I think those are experiences you definitely want someone else to have. And to be able to do that, you need to support the institution.
Alumni should consider supporting Bucknell, one, because you have a connection there, two, because you know that the money is going to be put to use that you've seen personally.
I think that alumni should think back to what really made their college experience and that they needed funding for that. And I think when you give to Bucknell, you're providing opportunities for future students to have a positive experience like I did and being able to share that with other people.
I believe in giving back. And Bucknell gave so much to all of us, gave us the starting point for our careers. And I think it's important for us to think about giving back and enabling more kids to have that same experience and same opportunity.